สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Houseboat Thai Kitchen. The menu that I'm going to make today is because many of my friends asked, what should we eat when we visit the Netherlands? Is it the raw herlings? Yes. And is it the bitterballen? Yes. Is it the stampot? Hell no. It's a big no. The food that I would recommend when you visit the Netherlands is here. Ta-da! The mussel. It's actually the big industry here, and the large part of the mussels are exporting to Belgium and France. So the style that I'm gonna make today is gonna be in Thai style, and we're gonna use the Thai spicy seafood sauce to eat with it. We are going to start with the seafood sauce. You better use the blender in this case. With this recipe, you would have a lot of sauce, so don't worry, you can keep this in the refrigerator for over a month. Please follow my new video that I gonna show you what else that you can eat with this sauce.